Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm again. Real quick video here. I'm going to show you how we did this 2003 Ford Ranger bed swap. It's really easy, but anybody who's never done it, maybe we can help you out. Okay, so there are literally only 8 things you need to do to get this bed replaced on this Ford Ranger. And this is a flare side bed. It's a lot of fiberglass, so it's not super heavy. One of the first things you need to do, the fuel filler nozzle. Okay, so you just take this cap off, the regular fuel cap. It hangs by a tether. There's 3 bolts in there. Take those bolts out, hang on to them. Then you're going to come back around here to the back end, and here on the left-hand side, right around where the bumper and the body join. I left it sticking out there so you could see it. But there's a plug there. That's a plug for all your lighting. Sorry, it's not in focus. That's a plug for all your lighting. Chances are the prongs are going to snap off when you go to unlock it to pull it apart. That's pretty typical on a 22-year-old vehicle, but get that plug separated so you don't break all the wires when you pull the bed off. The only other thing that holds this bed on are these 6 bolts, these big hex head bolts. Okay? There's 6 of them. There's 2 way up front that you see up there. Those are the longer 2, and the 4 in back are all the same size, but they are shorter than the 2 in front. Now, we got new bolts and new anchor nuts for the frame because everything in this truck was rusted out. These bolts are easily accessible on Amazon. Dorman makes a kit, but we did not buy the Dorman kit because I found another one on Amazon, which was only, I think, $29 for the whole kit for all the bolts. Some things to note before you do the bed are take the tailgate off. It makes it lighter. This is really only a 2-person lift. You can lift this bed with one guy standing in this wheel well here and the other guy standing on the other side and literally lift it up. Be mindful of the fuel filler over here when it's loose, but you can pull that out once you take those 3 bolts out that I showed you, and you can drop that fuel filler and it'll just be down in here, hanging down. So it'll be completely out of the way. But you take those 6 bolts out, get your fuel filler done, make sure your cannon plug in back is disconnected from the lights, and lift and walk away. This bed likely weighs, believe it or not, less than 200 pounds. Now, this is not the fleet side bed. This is the step side bed. There's a lot of fiberglass here. The only steel is in the actual box and a couple other things. So, super lightweight. But anyway, you pick that baby up and take it off, and we put it on a pallet. We had it sitting on the ground for a while. This is the new bed. We still need to get the junkyard numbers off of it, and the tailgate is around here somewhere. We haven't put it on yet. Of course, the tailgate is simple. But anyway, that's it. That's how fast and easy it is to replace the bed or take the bed off if you're doing a fuel pump or whatever on a 2003 Ford Ranger. And that same generation, I believe, goes from 2000. Actually, I think it's 1998 to 2011, but I'm sure somebody will check me on that. Anyway, more to come on the Ford Ranger. We should have it on the road shortly. We need to get it inspected and a bunch of other things. So I'm going to get busy here and get it off, get the rear off of jacks, and we'll get all the wheels tightened up and maybe get it out of the garage so I can put my Power Wagon back in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great night. If you like the videos, like and subscribe and share them with your friends. Have an awesome night.